Another exciting load of unboxing. This time for a Tuya bulb. Come on, undo. A plus efficiency. I wonder if that's the new or the old setting. So, and it's a bayonet fitting. Standard bulb. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Also instructions. Do the instructions say anything exciting? Nah. So let's plug it in and see what happens. Let's switch it on and see what happens. Yeah, we've got a nice white light. Right, let's get the device in pairing mode. So, we have to go off, on, off, on, off, on. It should start flashing just like that. That means it's in pairing mode. Right, into Tuya, click add device. Now it's come up automatically, but I've had problems with this before, so I'm going to pick lighting and light source Wi-Fi. I'm going to paste in my password. Click next. Click don't show this again. Click proceed. Is it blinking? Yes, it is blinking. Well, it's not. It's blinking quite fast. Okay, it seems to have found it and it's being added. It's actually stopped blinking. Okay, so I'll click done. Okay, it's saying my Wi-Fi signal's weak. Not quite sure why that is. So, let's make sure it works. So it quite happily changes colour. What I'm going to do now is exit out and go and have a look at Home Assistant. So let's give Home Assistant a try. Wow, I'm actually impressed with that because Home Assistant has found the light, added it, and there it is. So I can switch it on and off. What else can I do? I've got all the controls. I can change the colour. I can make it white. I can switch it off. The only thing I really need to do is go into settings and give it a name, because I think L2 HE279W is a little bit over the top, so I'm going to call it message light, and we'll give it a light bulb. Its entity ID, we'll leave it at that. And I'm going to click update. So switch it on. Oh, when it's white, don't show it. How about a bit of orange? And there it is.